Hi guys, today we will do an unpacking of my new grinder that you can see here on my side. It is the Bernardo DS 175S. It is a professional grinder and the properties are all very good. It has a power of 500 watt and it has an induction motor and it is very quiet. And what I liked mostly is that it is provided by professional bearings. And actually, when I have made the test, I have switched the machine off after it was turning, and it took over 4 minutes to stop, which shows you that the bearings are really good. And I was impressed because my old one is very loud. Whenever I switch it on, it seems that there is somewhere an airplane starting, and it was also another reason why I wanted to buy a new one. And I have to say again, Bernardo made a product that is really great for the price. It costs only 150 euros, which for a professional machine is almost nothing. And well, I will show you now in the next minutes how it works. See you soon. The bench grinder DS175S has arrived in a sturdy box, and here you can see how I am already unwrapping it. I was so excited. In the box there is a booklet with the instructions, but they are actually quite clear without manual, so it's not really necessary to read it, but I would in any case give a look. And then of course there are some little individual parts like the protective glasses and some other smaller parts. Now some data about the grinding machine itself. It is equipped with an induction 500 watt motor and it is made for the professional users, even if the price is really low. It costs just 150 to 160 euros, and for that type of quality it's really rare. Another big plus point that I also liked a lot is that the machine has quality ball bearings that run really quietly and maintenance free. Even it says on the manual that you also have to wear hearing protection. To be honest, I have to say it is quite unnecessary because the machine is extremely quiet. And now let's see how it works. As soon as I switch it on, you can tell how quiet it is. Sorry for the strange sound in the background, but it's my large welding table that starts to vibrate, it's not the grinder. If I switch it off now, the grinder will go on to run for a full 4 minutes, and that is really crazy. It tells you how good the ball bearings are. Now we do a test and sharpen the drill bit, and I would say it works perfectly. The left grinding stone is for the finish touch. As I said, I can only repeat, Bernardo, really well done. It's a great machine. If you liked my video, you can give me a thumb up or subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye and take care.